Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will show you the 3 best screen recorders you can use to capture high quality videos without lagging. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first app to record your screen in high quality is X-Recorder. So X-Recorder is a fantastic choice for both Android and iOS users since it has a pretty good interface and doesn't have a watermark. Additionally, you'll also find it easy to customize your recording settings right here, including quality, resolution, and frame rate, and you can also select your audio sources such as internal audio, to ensure your recordings meet your specific needs. And to start a screen record on this app, you just need to tap the record button right here, and then your screen recording will now start. And now for the second app to record your screen in high quality is Rec Screen Recorder. So Rec Screen Recorder is also a great choice since it offers a pretty straightforward interface, and you can also customize its settings, such as adjusting video resolution, frame rate, and bitrate to achieve high quality recordings. It also supports internal audio recording. But the key advantage of this screen recorder is that it's easy to use and quick to set up, making it perfect for users who need simple and easy screen recording solution. So to start screen recording on this app, you just need to tap the record icon right here. And then you can also select if you want to record with audio or not. In my case, I will choose to record with audio. And then that's it guys, your screen recording will now start. And for the last one, we have AZ Screen Recorder. So AZ Screen Recorder is a top choice for Android users because of its very versatile and wide range features, such as live streaming, adding facecam, and a built-in editing tools where you can edit your recording inside the app. And just like the other screen recorders, you can also customize its settings such as adjusting the quality, resolution, FPS, and audio sources. With its comprehensive feature set and high-quality recording capabilities, AZ Screen Recorder is a powerful tool for all your screen recording needs. So to start recording on this app, you just need to tap the record icon just like the other two earlier. And after that, it's done. Your recording will now start. And so that's all for the 3 best screen recorders you can use for high-quality recording guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now download the one that you like on your Play Store or App Store. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.